Welcome back to my channel. Today we will do the multiplication with regrouping. So to do this, arrange the numbers into the columns of the ones and tens. Multiply the ones first. If the product of ones goes into two digits, then regroup. Now multiply the tens and get the product. Add the carryover to the product of the tens and get the final answer. We are going to better understand this by some examples. Let us do them. First is multiply 46 by 5. So multiply arrange these numbers into the columns of ones and tens. This is tens, ones, 46 multiplied by 5. Now multiply the ones first. 6 ones multiply by 5 gives out 6 5s are 30 ones. Now write 0, this 0 in the ones column and carry 3 tens to the tens column. Now multiply the tens next, which is 4 tens multiplied by 5 is equal to 4 5s are 20 tens. Now 20 tens plus these 3 which is carried over 3 tens is equal to 23 tens. This 23 tens means 230. You can write it as in place of 23 tens 230. So it is 200 plus 3 tens. So write this 3 in the tens column and make one or more column which is of 100 and 2 in the 100 columns. So 46 multiplied by 5 is equal to 230. Similarly, let's do the next question, which is HTO 48 multiplied by 2. Again multiply the ones first, which is 2 ones, which is 8 ones multiplied by 2 gives us 16 ones. Write this 6 in the ones column and carry 110 to the tens column. Multiply the tens next. 4 tens multiply by 2 is equal to 4 2s are 8, 8 tens. Now 8 tens plus this 1 10 which is carried over, our answer is 9 tens. So write this 9 in the tens column. So our answer is 48 multiplied by 2 is equal to 96. Next question is H T O H T O 57 multiplied by 4. Now find the product. Multiply the ones first, which is 7 ones. Multiply by this 4. It gives us 7 fours are 28. 28 ones. Now write this 8 in the ones column and carry it over tens, 2 tens to the tens column. Multiply the tens next, which is 5 tens. Multiply by 4 is equal to 5 fours are 20, 20 tens. Now 20 tens plus this 2 tens, which is a carried over, is equal to 20 plus 2, 22 tens. Or you can say, you can write it as 22 tens means 220, which means 220. So you can write it as 200 plus 2 tens. So write this 2 in the tens column and 2 in the hundreds column. Now our next question is H T O 29 multiplied by 7. So multiply the ones first. Here ones place it is a 9. 9 ones multiply by 7 is equal to 63. 9 sevens are 63. 63 ones. Now write this 3 in the ones column and carry 6 tens to the tens column. Now multiply the tens next, which is 2 tens multiply by 7 is equal to 2 sevens are 14. 14 tens. Now 14 tens plus 6 tens, which is a carried over, is equal to 14 plus 6 20. 20 tens. You can write this 20 tens as 2 0 and this tens as 0, which is 200. Or it means 200 plus 0 tens. So write this 0 in the tens column and 2 in the hundreds column. So our answer is 203. Next question is at 50 multiplied by 9. Multiply the ones first, which is 0 ones multiplied by 9. When any number is multiplied by 0, the result is 0. So write this 0 in the ones column. Now multiply the tens next, which is 5 tens multiplied by 9. 5 nines are 45, 45 tens. Or you can say 4450, which means 450. So that means 400 plus 5 tens, which means write this 5 in the tens column and 4 in the hundreds column. Next question is HTO 64 multiplied by 7. Multiply the ones first, which is 4 ones multiplied by 7 is equal to 4 sevens are 28, 28 ones. Write this 8 in the ones column and carry the 2 in the tens column. Now multiply the tens next, which is 6 tens multiplied by 7 is equal to 6 sevens are 42, 42 tens. Now 42 tens plus 2 tens, which is a carried over, is equal to 42 plus 2, 44 tens. Or you can write it as 440, which means 400 plus 4 tens. Now write this 4 in the tens column and this 4 in the hundreds column. So our answer is 448. This is all for today. Thank you.